Let's see a quick overview of CapCut. So when you open CapCut, you will see this window. So this is actually CapCut. So you can see this is the account that I sign in with my Gmail. So you see your account, of course. And this is home and this is share history. So if you have used their cloud, then you can share your history to your audience. And you can see this is CapCut professional video editor. Okay, so and this is the feedback. So you can send your feedback to CapCut. You can see this is the message, and this the one important thing here, which is this gear icon, which is settings. So you can see this is the setting. You can see the save to when you want to save and the material download. So it's a cloud file, so you can easily change the location, and you can see the says manage, don't delete says, or you can also set the auto delete. So I personally use auto delete says, because if you use too many says, then your software will slower. So that's why you can use this one. Also you can use your increase or decrease your deleting day. So you can see the space size is already almost 2 GB. So if you want, you can delete it by manually. So you can see it's deleting. Okay, so it's depend on your file size. So says file size. So my says file is 2 GB, that's why it take few time, and you can see it's already deleted. And second thing is edit. So you can see its frame rate, adjust volume, image duration. So it's actually by default that you can see. So I am using their default setting. I didn't change anything from here. And you can see the free layer. Free layer is turned on by default when new project is created. So if you want, you can use this feature, but I didn't open through here, because in your project file you can turn on or turn off. So that's why I didn't use it, but if you want, you can use it. The frame rate, you can see it's 30 fps. If you want, you can change it to 60 fps. It's depend on your graphics card or PC configuration. And the time code, so if you want, you can use this one, but this one is default I use. So sound for, so send a notification sound when export is complete. So if you want, you can use this feature. When the export is complete, you will get a little sound from these tools. And then hit the performance, and you can see this is the performance. You can see I am using speed up, hardware, decoding and encoding, and interface, proxy, and the proxy location. Actually all are here is a default, so personal. So if you want, you can use your sound output by default. So for this video I always use the speaker height. So this is sound output. Okay, so that you want to hear. So this is actually my microphone, I don't want to use that. So I want to keep it. And the language, you can see a lot of list here. So you can use your default one. It's actually a few, you can find your own language, but I always prefer to use English. So English here, and then save it. And now if I hit the home button and then hit the new project, you can see this is the dashboard of CapCut. Here is the option which is the media, audio, text, sticker, effect, transaction, filter, adjustment. So these are actually the tools menu that we can use to edit our video. I will show you one by one from my upcoming video. And this is actually our timeline, and like uh, we can edit video on here. And this is actually the preview window, and this is the details page. And if you want, you can use your layout. So you can see it's actually a work that you like. So always I use like default layout is good for me. So, and you can see a quick toolbar here, which is selection tool, split tool, select left forward, select back forward. We will use these tools. This tool is pretty interesting, and these tools are hide. So this some of tools are hide because we didn't import any file, that's why it's hide now. And you can see this is your microphone icon here. So if you want to dubbing your video, you can use these tools. And you can see this is your main track magnet, which is pretty cool. And this is turn off your snippets in, and this is the link page, and this is preview exit, and this is the like the window magnify window that you can zoom your timeline. So we need to import one file, then we can see everything. So we need to import the file here. Open this file and drag and drop on media here, and if I click on this plus icon, it will add on our timeline, and you can see our all the feature is now visible. So that was my first overview, and in these tools I will explain one by one for my upcoming video. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.